So things I already introduced you guys like really quickly about the binary, okay, 0, 1, and all this kind of representation for data. Let me just use a binary as an example to show you a really fundamental low-level operation called shift operation. Okay, let me explain. So first, for example, in lowest level computer, everything is just like 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, something like that. Okay, so if you are doing a shift operation, basically it's like shift left or shift right. So basically you can shift all this to the left, right? And this is the operator indicate that you want to shift the whole data to the left. Okay, so basically you sort of treat this as a lot of a slot. Okay, each of slot do have data on or off. Okay, there's a logic gate on or off, like a switch. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, and this fundamental low-level operation shift the whole data to the left or to the right. And that's the fundamental of how all this like high-level plus minus multiplication, division, and remainder works. Okay, let me explain this. So for example, if you shift that, shift left or shift right by a certain amount, that literally just shift every data left or right, like lower level slot. So for example, you want shift left, say by 2, okay, shift left by 2, that literally means this whole batch of data got shift left. So that will be 0, 0, right? And then 0, 0, because shift left, and then 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, and then 0. I intentionally left this 2 blank to indicate the whole data got shift by 2 units to the left. Okay, that's like typical illustration of how it happens during the left shift operation. Since the right shift to the left, so original slot, we got 2 slots like empty. So you know what? Change this to 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. And we got 2 empty slots, and the empty spots become 0, 0. Okay? And you know what? This 2 actually like outside of the range. Okay? We can sort of treat this as a fall off at the end of the left. And then this data lost. Okay? Of course, shifting right, exactly the same. Okay? And you may wondering how this shift operation actually works, because this is like a typical binary. Okay? And shift left and shift right basically is 2's n. Okay? So basically multiply for shift left, shift right is just a multiplication or division of 2, 2, 2, 2. Because it's a binary. And this can result in great changes. Okay? I know this may seem a little bit, you like really hard to understand, because that's basically how lower level machine works. I want to go to deepest level, lowest level to give you a taste of what it look like, because I want to like incorporate a little bit of computer science 101 here. But don't worry, we're going to simulate this just like we simulate a calculator in Swift Playground. Okay, let's continue.